Hello, Maurieo! AutoCAD Basic 19.4 Radial and Angular Dimensions Mechanical. Hello, welcome. Well, in this video, no fireworks. They seem to have stopped. That's good. We're going to be looking at radial and angular dimensions in a mechanical setting. So let's get over to AutoCAD and get some plans up and running. So here we go. Open, and the drawing that we want to open is, of course, good old bearing dimensions 1M. Bearing dimensions 1M, and there it is. So let's open that up. And we will be familiar with this, but yes. So in this practice, we will add a center mark, radius, diameter, and angular dimensions to the mechanical drawing as shown in this figure. So open there, activate the 2:1 right side, which is this one here. Make sure you're in there. Just go back to paper space and give the man some room. So now we're going to activate it now. So that gives us plenty of room, but it's right over the other side there. So I got to go through the hole in the paper. Activate the 2:1. Yes, that's all good. And in the set that to dimensions. So that's it's got use current there. You can set it to dimensions. I see how that works. So you could go back to home and you'll see that dimensions is the current. So then if you go to annotate, it's got there. So better to be safe than sorry, I suppose. That refers to the layer. Okay. And set the dimension layer to dimensions, which we've done. Oh, okay, all right. So in the annotate tab, center lines panel, click center mark. So center mark, yep, I've clicked that, and select the innermost circle to add a center mark. Yeah. Yes, okay. Oh, it adds a center mark with extensions lines to it. Note that the extensions lines are just touching the dashed circle. Well, no, they're not actually. They're touching that circle there. But anyway, press escape to exit the command. Well, they're not touching the dashed circle, are they? But I'm sure that, well, when I do that, they are. I don't know whether I can. Okay. Control Z. I'm just going to leave them how they've. What have I done? Well, I can pull them out there if I want to, but I'll just Control Z undoes things. So that's how they were. Just touching the dashed circle. At the center, at the command line, type center EXE. CENTER, the American spelling, EREXE. Type that. Type 50 for the value. Oh, 50 for the value, and then press enter. At the command line, type center reset. Yep, type center reset. Select the center mark and press select the center mark And I think that at the command line type center reset, and you must push enter surely, then select the center mark. Yes, select the center mark and press enter. The center mark extension lines extend beyond the outermost circle as shown. This is true. Using the dimension command, add a radius dimension to the arc at the top of the bearing. Okay, so using the dimension command, add a radius. So this is just using this here, and we can go there, right, and we can add, that's our radius there, radius 50. Add a diameter dimension to the innermost circle. Right, so we're still in the command, so we can go there, select circle to specify diameter. Yeah, okay, we'll put that, okay, like that, which is 37.5. I'd just like to check that. I don't know whether we can, 30, I think that might be right. They're very small, and the radius says 50. So yes, I've put that there, 37.5. Add an angular dimension to the inner angle of the sloped line as shown. Okay, I want that there. So okay, so there and there. Oh yeah. Okay, oh, we can get it there. 61 degrees is what we wanted. So yes, we've done that. Okay, all right. So that's that done, and save and close the drawing. Well, that went remarkably well. So file, save as. Yeah, that's the one. Make sure we replace it. Yes, and then we're going to close. Close. Okay, all right. So, yes, some slight differences with the book, but I think our experience in the previous exercises gave us a bit of a hint as to which was the best way to go. And so that one went relatively smoothly, I feel, and I think that we're sort of moving along and getting better and better. All good. Cheers. See you.